Slow it down for a quick second, so you can quickly be the one the first to learn your lesson. I'm not the one that sits back and stays steady stressing. I'll be that man up in the bed with his steady caressing. And trust me when I tell you that there's nothing phony about me. And you can look at me and my nose ain't big or Sonny stop me. I'm trying to let you know how I flow when I go. Got your girl on the back of the track and I'm Escalade. Matter of fact, I'm like an escapade. The only difference is that I'm here and I'm not really getting paid. But it's okay, cause either way, I'ma just get it laid. I'ma get it straight, go and just let it spray. All over your house and the time is gone. You look at me funny, but you're your damn wrong. Like we got G, I'm over here with Sonny and Kevin and Jimmy and motherfucking Joey. Not in chill with the curve, but it's a freestyle, dog, so everything gets worse. I'm talking about the coffin, you're laying off it. You're real hard, but you're acting softer, but you're not hard as porcelain. I'ma get back for a minute and let you know that I'm in it to win it. This ain't a gimmick. You look at me like you're funny, but you need spinach to even get your muscle up. A hustler, you need a minute. You can't even get with it. I'm telling you, I'm with it. I think I need a drink of Guinness, cause I gotta slow down, cause I'm a flow with slow ill. And you won't even know about this type of skill that I kill. Matter of fact, I think I chill like chili wear, but I'm not a picking, homie, so don't you let it go, honey. You really trying to act funny. You must be fucking wanting me trying to see you. Dance to dance. Dance to dance. Dance to dance. Dance to dance. Yo, we just made this on the block. This just came up like 10 minutes ago. We just made this stuff for y'all. Y'all not good. Listen, let's look, cause I'm not a clever stage black cat that you want to anticipate, but you know what? I gotta go so later, but in a minute, I think I'm hungry, so I gotta get up with it. Talk about a meal that I got 2 minutes. I told you first in the first verse, but it gets worse. Look at me when I'm thirsty, and I gotta put the thirst. Better look at me, tall assers. So I got to do it, you know, I'm going to the pressure. I'm talking about you, I'm about you. Now I'm with the culture, I play a flow, you live in a boat, never stressing, never do ain't full, or head drunk. This is what I'm for, I won't run, I love, I'm stuck, you roll my bar, I keep it raw, but I keep it tough, get it up, motherfucker, you tell me what people want. Oh, messing up in the line, girl, you talking about this same thing in the fire, girl. I'm talking my heart, so you can make it, never faking, you motherfuckers, trust it. You know what I mean, I'm saying, with the horns popping out of the head, I'm fire, I'm looking. Look at me, but you never look. Never understand what the beat of the shook was, and you not tough. What? What the fuck is what? People what? That's up in my son, you better think you what? Matter of fact, I gotta tell you what. Don't look at me like a thing, they gon' get one. Cool ass the damn, cool up. Cool ass the damn, cool up. Cool ass the damn, what? Cool ass the damn, what? Cool ass the damn. Sonny, Rico, Alice, hello. What that song, so Jimmy, come on, baby. Now we got Big Grandma on the drum. Big Grandma on the drum.
Dude, you ever do that? You ever sing like that before?
Said it's cold outside.
Good shit.
Fuck,
dude.
Big Brothers and featuring Rico. Featuring Rico. I'm a guest.
Putting right on you, going on.
I gotta go outside my man Steve. Gotta do my thing.
Putting you on YouTube later on tonight.